Give him a high five. The frog likes high fives.
Hey, Chris and Nick.
And Josh.
Yeah. Team Aquascape here. Hey, so we are getting ready for Water Garden Weekend, which is a huge event for us here in our local market. It goes on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday is our kind of our VIP night. It is now Friday morning. No time like the present to get stuff ready. So we've got the guys in the Aqua Gardens kind of cleaning the house over here. Nick, what do we got going today?
Like you said, man, it's just we're cleaning the house. We're making sure this place is presentable like it always is every day of the year. And it's all hands on deck right now.
So I see the guys already got their clean out tanks set up back here.
All right, guys, so we just fired up the power washer. We're getting ready to clean this thing out. We've been practicing this literally all spring long, so these guys are professionals. They are going at it. The urn's running, so that's good. Aqua Gardens is up and running. Every feature. Pondless waterfall is good to go. It's like bowls, the hanging bowls are good to go. We did get this pondless up and running. That is good to go now.
Guys did a great job on the clean out. Looks awesome. This thing will be fired up here shortly once we get enough water in there. Total team effort. It does not get done in that short amount of time with just one guy working. It is everybody working together, getting this. Ooh, I almost said a bad word. It's everybody working together, getting this stuff done. So we have a couple more things to do. As for the Aqua Gardens, we get check that off the list.
Hey guys, it's Brian with Team Aquascape. It's Water Garden Weekend. One of my favorite nights of the year is the VIP event that we have. And I think the reason I like it so much is because it's a chance to kind of reconnect with a lot of our customers. Most of these customers I don't see after the time we've actually finished their pond. And so we invite them out here to kind of have some appetizers, a few drinks, really just kind of reconnect. Tell me about their pond, exchange stories about families. They all ask about my kids, I ask about their kids. It's just a lot of fun. It's a huge collaboration with an enormous amount of people to pull it off. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what it takes to pull off one of our biggest events of the year. I have nothing to do with any of this. Jenna, our event coordinator person, puts all this stuff together, but soon we'll have over 150 people kind of walking around our showroom, all like-minded people, huge pond enthusiasts, all living the same lifestyle, drinking beer and wine, looking at fish, looking at plants, getting product. It's gonna be a blast. Oh, I can smell the food already. It's VIP night. What do you like about VIP night? More so than tomorrow. Like, tell me the difference.
There's food.
Yeah.
Really good food. No, it's fun to see the customers that we built ponds for. Now, tomorrow's just open pandemonium. Tonight's just relaxing, get to catch up with the customers. And most of them that are new, I don't know.
Yeah.
You always invite the newest customers to the VIP along with some of the people that have been around on the pond tours forever. So I like to meet all the customers, give them all the compliments about Chris. They always say, we love Chris. We love John. I'm like, what about Brian? They're like, yeah. And then we got Tom Smith.
Tom, special guest.
Here to work.
We're gonna put him to work at one of the best areas out there, the fish areas.
Sell some fish.
And Tom's gonna sell some of our expensive fish.
All those big fish.
Yeah, nice.
Especially the nice Benny that's out there.
Oh, it's cool, isn't it?
That's the one that I want.
No, you can't have that. We're selling that one.
come outside. Ron has been working hard. Ron is really the fish guy. Ron, is there a fish that you've got your eye on?
More than one.
Yeah, me too. Ron gets first picks before I do, but all of these are loaded up with fish, and I'll show you my favorite so far. But you can see there's some gorgeous fish in here. Tons and tons of fish. Every single one of these is loaded up with koi and goldfish. And one of the most unusual ones I've seen is in here. I love this black one with the red head. Don't know why. Yeah, he's super cool. At 375 bucks, he might be around a little bit, or he's gonna go right away. We have these tops over these guys because these are some expensive ones and they tend to want to jump, but there's some really cool ones in here. Greg's got some new toys. I don't envision any of our VIP customers using any of that stuff tonight, but who knows? Stranger things have happened. So things are looking amazing. Here's all the plants, new driftwood. I actually hope we don't sell any of this because I would use every single piece on a job this year. Some really cool pieces, especially that one. All the plants, just super awesome. It's a very relaxed buying experience. No pressure, chill, hang out, walk around, talk with like-minded people, enjoy the lifestyle, check out our new ponds, check out some of our new products, and have fun.
Check out the craziness. So I think this is so fun. I mean, look at some of the fish that we have in here. Just absolutely gorgeous. This is one of the nice things about being the owner is I always get the first selection. We got our distributors coming all the way in from New Jersey to help us with this. It's fun, isn't it, Tom? And so many new hobbyists too, which is just what's so awesome about this. This guy uses both of his thumbs. I love it. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Okay, and there's Mr. Pazinski himself helping out here today. We bring in so many fish, so many plants for this. And what I love about it, like I was saying, is new hobbyists, new people getting in. I mean, look at the kids. How could kids not like this? There's something for everybody when you're at Water Garden Weekend. That's what I love. Look at all of the plants. I mean, I got my friend Steve Stroop all the way from Alabama that brought all these plants in here, just thousands and thousands of plants. People stocking up for the season. It's just so fun. So much activity. You don't look happy enough. You gotta be smiling. You're getting some good deals, some good deals. Nice. Woo! Free fish, huh? What do we got? Show me the free fish.
Got like 800 bags.
Look at that. Come to Aqualand, get a free fish for Water Garden Weekend. I gotta ask you, how did you score this job?
That's what happens when you sign up early.
Oh man, you got it.
First spot's open.
Oh, you got it.
Water Garden Weekend's upon us. The rush is kind of over. Check out what some of the people are doing. Here's the retail store over on this side. Flurry of activity still. People buying all different types of products, checking out all the different stuff. Ponds are fully functioning. Fish are active. We have all our stack slate spheres and everything. And we have a couple special guests. We have Kenan Harkin here. We have Paul Cuffaro. And there's our man Tony right there. All right, here's Lucas doing his thing. Hey, what's up?
What am I doing?
I don't know. What are you doing? Learning about some of these unique animals. What kind is this?
This is a rosy hair tarantula. When it goes onto you, it's not going to bite, it's not going to jump. You have to stay as still as possible.
Why?
If you jump and fling, you can hurt it, and we don't want to do that.
Oh God! All right.
It's fragile. Okay, smile. Look at the camera. There, see?
Oh, okay. It's gonna crawl up my arm.
Oh,
That's
wow.
my boy always told you about.
Yeah, beautiful.
So this beast is a Burmese python.
Powerful, huh?
Oh yeah. All muscle. So these guys are constrictors. They are in the python family, so they are an egg-laying species. You find these guys throughout Southeast Asia. They are one of the larger constrictors in the world. He's about full grown for what males in captivity will get.
And there's Kenan.
Yes. Awesome time, man.
Good stuff, huh?
Yeah, these guys have been great. Just being wandering around and seeing everybody here for Water Garden Weekend's been amazing.
Awesome. Glad you made it out.
I'm so happy to be here. Plus, I still got to meet your plant guy.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Let's do that.
Let's go right now.
All right.
Let's just introduce these two, Kenan and Steve Stroop.
Steve happens to be a turtle nerd in the best sense of the word. Of course. I'm learning a great deal about some plants. So the two plants that you want me to put in my red pond are
Liliopsis and Dwarf Sagittarius.
all right, very cool. And so what's exciting and talking with Ed and why coming here to Water Garden Weekend, why it's so exciting is because you get to meet people that know more than you. And that's important when you're trying to learn how to be a good water gardener. And you are a water gardener. How many years have you been doing it?
About 25.
25 years. All right, very cool.
Yeah.
What got you into the plants now?
Turtles.
Turtles, see? It all comes out.
Greg and I have the same entranceway into water gardening. He kept turtles. I went out and caught them.
I like this guy.
Well, I'll tell you what, man. We'll do Silver River this year.
Let's do it. That sounds good.
Nice.
Hey. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Hey, Laurie. Woo. You got the reverse and you got the forward. Yeah, you want to try it?
No.
Woo. Hey, I love it. That's the right attitude. And we got it. So where are you going to put this?
Up front. We have the pond in the
Show
back.
everything off from Aquascape.
You've been having fun? Have you been giving free fish out?
It's my favorite time.
Okay, you're gonna get a job here someday, right, Maddie? So we built your pond how long ago?
3 years.
3 years ago. So this is gonna go in the front yard, and you're gonna put it in yourself?
Maybe.
Or you need to know a pond guy.
Exactly.
And look at the line. Plants and fish. Joseph, what'd you get? Smart man. Might as well. There you go. You're up. Well, you got a full cart there. I like to see that. What'd you get? Let me see. Awesome.
One of these. Can they take a picture later? Hey, what's up, Greg?
Yeah.
This is awesome, man. I'm keeping my hand here because I don't want the snake. I don't want to wind up on YouTube for the wrong reasons.
So this is your first Water Garden Weekend, your second Water Garden Weekend. What do you think?
I love it, man. It's so cool because you come out here and you're a reptile lover, so
Yep.
it's got the guys from Crosstown and cold-blooded parties here, but also I get to really meet a lot of people who are enthusiastic as I am about water gardening.
Amen.
I've been learning a ton. So many things you can learn. I mean, I've been bothering Ed and we've been learning about the plants, so it's really a great time. Man.
It's awesome.
I love it.
All right, so this is the end of Water Garden Weekend, and the kids are out there. They don't care about the weather. It's sunny, but that water is what, 66 degrees? Is that cold for a Florida boy, Paul?
Freezing. I wish I was down there. Have you ever jumped off here?
No, we're not gonna jump off here.
I would do.
And just like that, Water Garden Weekend is a wrap. If you want to see more stuff like this with fun guys like Paul, check out the link below to find out more videos from Aquascape. I love
My job.